Hi everybody, it's Adam with HeartValveSurgery.com. We are at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles, California. I'm thrilled to be joined by Dr. Akriti Gupta, who is a leading interventional cardiologist that specializes in minimally invasive heart valve therapies which use small catheters instead of open heart surgery. Dr. Gupta, it is great to see you again, and thanks for being with me today.
Thank you, Adam. It's a pleasure.
Yeah, so a big topic in our community of patients is the possibility of getting a transcatheter aortic valve replacement, or TAVR, for people who've been diagnosed with aortic regurgitation. I'm curious to know, it's 2026. Can you give us the latest update on that possibility?
Absolutely. I think it is important first for patients to understand why TAVR works in aortic stenosis. And the major reason is that when you develop calcium in your aortic valve, that's when it tightens enough and it doesn't push the blood forward, and that's when we come and fix it with TAVR. Now, when we're deploying a transcatheter valve, we're counting on that calcium to anchor the valve properly. The contrast is in aortic regurgitation, where majority of the patients don't have any calcium, and as such, the same commercially available valves that we're right now using for aortic stenosis may not do so well in aortic regurgitation because there's no calcium anchoring them. They can move and there can be residual leakage. So that's not great. Now, the good news is that we have a great valve that is currently being studied, and we just published the results of the Align-AR trial in the Lancet. Dr. Raj Makkar at Cedars is the first author. I'm one of the authors. And this trial tested the JenaValve, which is specifically engineered to perform in aortic regurgitation where there is no calcium. It clips onto the leaflets and it performs really well. What we showed in the trial is that it is safe, it is durable, and patients feel great, and the heart muscle actually remodels favorably after we reduce the leakage. The trial is still ongoing. So in 2026, if you have moderate to severe or severe aortic regurgitation, the current FDA-approved treatment is only surgery. But if you came to a center like Cedars, where we have access to all of the research protocols, we would either enroll you in the Align-AR trial or the ARTIST trial, which is another trial that is testing this technology. And you are probably able to get TAVR for aortic regurgitation. And once it's commercially available, I imagine that patients can get this treatment in most parts of the country. So I think it's an exciting time because the treatment for aortic regurgitation is probably going to see the same revolution as was seen with aortic stenosis, such that if I had a crystal ball, 5 years from now, the predominant therapy is going to be TAVR for AR.
Wow, well, this is no doubt an exciting time for those patients with aortic regurgitation. On behalf of those patients and patients all over the world, thanks to you, Dr. Makkar, and the entire team here at Cedars-Sinai. Thanks for being with me today, Dr.
Thank you
Gupta.
so much, Adam. It was a pleasure.
Hi, everybody. It's Adam. I hope you enjoyed that video. And don't forget, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch the next 2 educational videos coming up on your screen, or click the blue button to visit HeartValveSurgery.com.